First, President Trump declaring total authority over the reopening of the economy. Good evening to you. I'm Christine Johnson.
And I'm Maurice Dubois. Today, the president said he will be the one to set the guidelines and not the governors. Only hours earlier, Governor Cuomo announcing that he and several other nearby governors are working on their own plan. CBS 2's Dick Brennan with more now on the political battle over who is in charge.
It's the question so many Americans want to know the answer to. When will the country open up again? Tonight, the president, while not saying exactly when it would happen, certainly made it clear who should make that decision. Mr. Trump himself.
When somebody's the president of the United States, the authority is total. And that's the way it's got to be.
Total. The authority is total.
Mr. Trump says he expects the governors will cooperate, but in no time, the president had triggered a firestorm. Governor Cuomo saying the president's absolutely wrong.
We have a constitution. We don't have a king. We have an elected president. That's what our founding fathers did when they wrote the Constitution. And the Constitution clearly says the powers that are not specifically listed for the federal government are reserved to the states.
Cuomo says the president did not close the economy. That was done by the states. He also says the states don't have the capacity for large-scale testing, and that will be key to any reopening plan.
Even in a federal emergency, it doesn't abrogate the Constitution, and that's what you would have to say here. The Constitution of the United States goes out the window because we have a federal emergency.
Earlier in the day, the governor joined 6 other eastern states, including New Jersey and Connecticut, announcing a plan to see when they could get the economy restarted.
Study the data, study the research, study the experience of other countries, and give us guidelines and parameters to go forward.
The governors say it's crucial that economic decisions not get ahead of ones regarding health and safety.
We have not yet plateaued. We're a couple of beats behind New York. Our positive tests have begun to flatten, but we're not yet there.
Governor Cuomo says if the president puts forth an irresponsible plan, he'll fight it legally. Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.